The Infinix Xpad might not be the perfect tablet, and it's not the cheapest option in the budget category either. However, it does have some advantage over its competition, like the lightweight metal body, a smooth 90Hz display, and the ChatGPT powered voice assistant. But the question remains, are all these features enough to make it a great choice? The Infinix Xpad is priced at 283,000 naira. It's available in two versions, LTE and Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi version is about 30k cheaper than the LTE version. For the unboxing experience, it's quite solid. You get everything you need, including the tablet, a USB-C cable, a SIM injector tool, earphones, and an 18-watt charging brick with a free case. Mine came in green. The tablet also comes in three colors, which is blue, gray, and gold. For the design, the Xpad is lightweight at 450 grams with a slim design that gives you a premium feel. Its metal body makes it look and feel durable. It's similar to the older iPad but without the home button, and this design gives it a modern look. For the display, it has a colorful 11-inch 90Hz LCD display which is smooth and responsive, making videos and games look great. With a peak brightness of 440 nits, the screen stays clear in bright lights, making it perfect for streaming content and browsing the web. For the OS, the Xpad operates on Android 14. And I have no complaints for this software. The user interface is smooth and responsive with no lag or glitches, which is great to see on a budget device. One of the best parts is that it comes with no bloatware, which is a big plus. Now, for those people that love multitasking, the Xpad offers a useful split screen feature, allowing you to run two apps side by side with ease. For example, you can browse and chat at the same time. For performance, this Xpad is powered by the Helio G99 processor. It's a 6nm chip that delivers solid performance for this budget tablet. It can handle games like Call of Duty Warzone on low graphics settings, and on PUBG with graphics settings set to balance, it can go as high as ultra frame rate. While gaming, I noticed the device heated up a little bit because I played for a long session. Although it's normal, nothing alarming, it's normal for devices in this price point. When it comes to sound, the device is equipped with 4 speakers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This setup makes gaming and streaming movies really enjoyable, providing you good sound experience. However, while the sound quality is really good, it's not the best I have seen for this price point. But it doesn't take anything from the Xpad. The sound experience is really good. For the camera, the Xpad is equipped with 8 megapixel on the rear and 8 megapixel on the front camera. While it's not the most advanced camera out there, it's very good for video calls. And with perfect lighting, you can get decent images with the front and back camera. Now, let's talk about Folax, Infinix ChatGPT powered voice assistant, which can help you with basic AI needs. It can help you with basic information without you needing to use a search engine. For example, you can ask Folax a quick fact. Who won the World Cup in 2018? Folax can instantly tell you it's France. This feature makes it easy to get information quickly and hands-free. For the battery, which is quite impressive, it comes with a large 7000 mAh capacity, which means you can stream up to 10 hours without needing to charge. When it's time to charge, with the included 18-watt charger, you can power up this device from 0 to 50% in 45 minutes. So the wait time is quite low. So as usual, pros and cons before we go to the conclusion. Now, a major pro about this is the feel. It's light, 450 grams, metal body. It's really premium, feels premium. Another pro is the display. It's really colorful. Not the best for this price range, but really colorful. You will enjoy media on it. Now, pro number 3 is the software experience. This is one of the best software experience I've gotten from a tablet in this price range. The UI is clean, no glitch. It's just smooth. And my final pro, it has decent performance. The G99 is really good with this device. Processor 8 gig, no lag, very smooth. Now, the cons, they're not much, but they are there. The first one is the audio. I have seen better audio. It's quite loud, but I've seen better audio. At least next time they should throw in maybe a JBL speaker. We really appreciate it. Con number 2, limited screen size. 11 inches is quite small. Most tablets I've seen this year is mostly 13 inches. But the good thing is that the fact is 11 inches made it compact, made it very handy, like easy to hold. And my conclusion, is it valid for your money? Is it a good budget device? I would say yes. Yes, because there are a lot of pros to this device than the con. In a sense, it's durable, it's lightweight, the price is right, and I don't know, testing it for over a week, I have spent a lot of time with it. I have like 3 tablets, but for some reason, I really enjoy this one. But anyways, tell me what you think about my review. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and also drop a comment. Let's have a conversation in the comments.